In today's video, I am going to teach you how to send same document to different people in Pandadoc. Sometimes you have a document that is already sent in Pandadoc, and you need to share that exact same document with several other people. Instead of downloading files or recreating anything, you can share the document using a link. This keeps everything consistent and saves time. Start by opening Pandadoc and going to the document that has already been sent. Make sure you are viewing the actual document, not just the list of documents. Once the document is open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You will see a button labeled Invite. Click that Invite button to open the sharing options. After you click Invite, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Share via Link. This option is designed for situations where you want to share access quickly without manually entering each person as a recipient inside the document. When you choose Share via Link, Pandadoc will show a shareable link on the screen. Take a moment to confirm you are copying the full link exactly as it appears. Then copy the link using the copy control provided, or highlight the link and copy it from your keyboard. Once the link is copied, you can paste it into whatever channel you use to send it out, like a message or an email, and share it with different people. As a practical tip, always double-check that you are sharing the correct document before you send the link to anyone. It also helps to send the link with a short note so the recipient knows what the document is and what you want them to do with it. If you are sharing it with multiple people, paste the same link for each person so everyone receives the exact same document. That covers everything you need to know.